subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has launched its new budget smartphone globally called Nokia 1.4, and it is the successor of the last year launched Nokia 1.3 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia 1.4 features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chipset paired with Adreno 308 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 1, 2 or 3 GB of RAM and 16, 32 or 64 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia 1.4 supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear under the circular ring at the top center, including an LED flash. The dual ray camera includes 8 megapixel main camera along with the 2 megapixel macro lens. For selfies, it has an 5 megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 5W charging support, and it runs on Android 10 that is upgradable to Android 11 under Go edition. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with dedicated Google Assistant button. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.42 by 76.72 by 8.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 178 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia 1.4 has been priced globally for 1GB plus 16GB storage variant at €99, and the pricing details for the other storage options are yet to announce by the company. The smartphone will be globally available for purchase in charcoal, dusk and fiat color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia 1.4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.